It's Mardi Gras time! So you know what that means? We're doing a Mardi Gras cake, king cake. This is going to be an apple caramel cream cheese cake. Got all the ingredients set out for time constraints and whatever. I put everything together already. I'll get to that in a minute. Mardi Gras started officially on Tuesday, the 6th. So I thought, what better time than to do a Mardi Gras cake. So what we are going to do to get started out, I've already got my 1 block, 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and I got my powdered sugar, and I'm going to use about 1/3 of a cup. This isn't the right measuring cup, but it's an approximate. Okay, I'm going to use a third of a cup of powdered sugar. And I'm going to blend that together. I'm going to start it out slow because that powdered sugar will go everywhere. I'm going to blend that together real quick. Right back. Okay, got that pretty much mixed up. Now we're going to add 1 large egg. Anybody's wondering what actually Mardi Gras is all about, all I can tell you is I know, let me reach across here. I know that for Louisiana, the French settlers brought Mardi Gras to Louisiana, and it was about, I think, 1872. The crew of Rex started. The green, gold, and purple stands for justice, faith, and power. I know around here, most people, it's like celebrating before Fat Tuesday. I've already chopped up apples. Move this over. And I have mixed up some brown sugar and cinnamon. To give you an idea, I mixed way too much, but it was a 1/2 cup brown sugar for 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Doesn't take a whole lot. And go ahead and sprinkle that good bit on these apples. Mix them up real good. Okay, so I got that all mixed up. I'm gonna add some cream cheese, you know that, some caramel, and some chopped pecans. That's where I'm making it a little bit different. Now my dough, these are croissants. Mixture on the bottom first. Traditional Mardi Gras cakes is mostly just the sugar cinnamon with sweet bread. And this is your stuffed Mardi Gras cake, so it's kind of a combination. You can do it with sweet bread. You can make your own sweet bread. I looked for the frozen bread rolls and couldn't find it. So, okay. I'm not putting a whole lot since I put it in the apples too. So we got that. Hands off. I gotta quit saying that. I realized everybody kept telling me I needed to quit saying huh or and now I've started saying okay all the time. I noticed that when I play my videos back. Oh, let's see, I almost did it again. I wish there was a buzzer. Kind of help me with that. Put all that around there. I'm not gonna put all of it just yet. Spread it out. I don't want to spread it too thin. I like a little thickness. Look like a mess, but that's all right. It's gonna taste good. And now, there's a lot of apples. They may not all fit on there. I should have chopped them up a little bit smaller. Kind of bite-sized pieces. On there. Oh, smell that cinnamon and the apple together already. It's going to be so good. Okay, we're getting a few more bites there. And there. And there. And now we're just gonna do some little dollops. Little dab, do ya? Dollops. That's a sour cream commercial. Little dollop of beer or something. Sorry, y'all hear the noise out there. Believe it or not, there's people mowing in January because the weather's been so crazy. Got flowers out there blooming that usually only bloom spring to summer. Craziness. But that is kind of difficult for the soft though. We'll have a hard winter soon. Okay, got that on there. Now what I'm going to do is get a little bit of heavy cream. Just a dab. I use Werther's Originals. And I forgot to tell y'all at the beginning that with this video, I'm sorry, I was giving you a message on screen. This is a Mardi Gras cake made simple. So keep that in mind. Instead of making you prepare nothing, you just go get the Werther's. And maybe about a teaspoon of that, and I'm going to microwave it in increments of 30 seconds. That took me actually only one increment of 30 and one 15-second increment. You don't want to burn it. So 45 seconds total. Here comes the fun part. I am going to, it's still kind of warm. I'm burning myself. I hold it like that. There we go. Get it in before it hardens up. See how quick it starts to harden up? Oh, this smells dreamy. No, you hear my Kit Kat eating. She's got a day. She's having her little snack. Oh, I think this is going to be fabulous. I hope so. Good, very good friend and neighbor of mine. Her birthday is today. So I want to give her some of this for her birthday. Wow. That's I think that's enough. That's going to be some kind of rich, sweet cake. And the piece de resistance, no, that was, caramel was. But anyway, I'm going to sprinkle some chopped pecans. And the oven is supposed to be set at 350. That going. That's enough times. Now, because this stuff got too soft and stretched out, I'm going to try and, see, I'm just folding it down, sticking it together, and tuck it under. Because what happened also, besides it getting warm, was I'd never seen it before. These are extra large croissant rolls. And I thought it would be good, but I should have known that extra large just meant more skinny triangles. So, I'm just, well, where there's a will, there's a way. Just fold it down, tuck it under. don't want all that goodness to melt all out too much. I don't want it to be too thick in places either. Okay, I'm not gonna make y'all wait for me to finish that. We'll be right back. Okay, got all of that. Doesn't look too bad. Hopefully it won't pour out too much. I'm gonna stick that in the oven. I heated the oven to 350. And we're gonna do it for about 20-25 minutes. Be back to show you the rest. It's out of the oven and I let it totally cool down so we can do the icing. I'm gonna sift the flour, otherwise it'll be lumpy. And we don't want lumps in it to put it on the cake. Sift it real quick. And make a mess. My house smells so good while this was baking. Yep, it had a lot of lumps in it, so that's why it's always good to go ahead and sift it. Okay, now I'm going to put about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, I put the vanilla. Now we want, just bit by bit, it may be about 5 tablespoons of milk. I want it to be, I don't want it to be too runny. I want it to stay on the cake and get a good shell. That vanilla made a little bit of brownness. That mixed up real well. Thinking that might be a good consistency. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And I'm just gonna drizzle it on the cake. I don't really go to the parades. I might try and go this year. I don't know. But I took my dog to a Christmas parade. That was kind of an accident. We just kind of got stuck in the traffic. And I'll tell you what, we got lots of good stuff because everybody thought it was just so cute. So now I know how to get stuff. Okay, that looks good. Starting to thicken up a little bit. Now we're gonna put purple, green, and gold for justice, faith, and power. I don't know which color stands for what. Okay, we're gonna start with the purple. I don't always like putting the sugar on there, but that's what people like. So that's what I'm doing, and it's only sticking where I got the icing on. Oh, that gold is pretty. Still over there. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. And the green. Not totally even, but that's all right. There we have it. Okay. And now I've got to do the taste test. Apples, cream cheese. There we go. Oh my God. Just kidding. It's perfect. Okay. That is it. Y'all have a great day. God bless.